Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS Set 2 2025 GA question number 2. Bird, nest, bee, dash. Select the correct option to complete the analogy. And 4 options are given. Let's analyze each option. Option A, kennel. What is meaning of kennel? Where a dog or cat stay. It's a small shelter for dog or cat. It look like this. And the question is about B, so option A is not the answer. Next option B, hammock. Hammock means a bed, you can say summer bed that we can do in a park or in our backyard. A bed made of canvas or rope mesh and suspended by cord at the end, used in the garden especially. B cannot stay here, right? So option B is also not the answer. Next option C, hive. Hive is a place for bee to stay. It look like this. Bee can stay here. So answer will be option C, hive. Next option D, lair, where wild animals stay. It look like this. So bee can stay only in hive. If you know the meaning of all option, you can easily solve this question. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.